Remember the Politricks watch. This is Sir P. Today I'm going to talk about Power Man. I'm not talk about the DJ. Yeah, like all we name all over the ocean. I'm not talk about that Power Man. I talk about Black Man father, Power Man. Otherwise known as Ja Power. The man them kill him and bury him. Lost him body in the abyss. Over a month now they can't find him. If ever you need to see tangible results of how the Klansman gang, especially Black Man, has been severely weakened. If ever you need to see tangible results of the work with people like Uncle C-Talk, C4, Bank and them people they do. This is an example. Black Man father missing for over a month now. You know it already. Officially because the body they get found, they can't, legally they can't say him dead, but you know the intel already. And then kill him and hide him body. If this was back in the day, whether Black Man there prison or Black Man there road, from the first day him father go missing, people that drop like when time breadfruit ripe. Jamaica cannot pay C4 them for them do in helping to slow down the monstrosity that was the Black Man faction of the Klansman gang. Now, you wouldn't have heard much about Black Man father. Most people never heard about Black Man father. I say them call him Power Man. Some people know him as Ja Power. Long time coot from Bulby days. Him father used to have talk at Jones Avenue from them time there, from Bulby days. It was after him father's strength him could have propelled certain way in the gang. Can you guard in an area, man? I must say Jamaica is a place where if your father own one wholesale or your father do something that is outside of the quote unquote norm, see your Irish Saxon, music, sports, badness, things like that, then people shun you. Anyway, your father did have one business place. Let's say the business place sell carrot and it's the most successful carrot selling business in Jamaica, and you come inherit it, especially as a young black youth. Irish Saxon to remind you every day. Say, you are not now just your father gate, and they will not accept you. But if them hear say your father was done, they will accept you with open arms. If them hear say your father was a DJ, they will accept you with open arms. If them hear say your father was some kind of athlete, they will accept you with open arms, because subconsciously they think that's all Negroes can do. So that's natural to them. When you say your father was the chairman of this big established international business, you vile Iron man and go suck your mama. When you're Jim Brown or Zeke's son or Poor Man's son, nobody now walk around and tell you see it though. So that shows how the culture work. As a young black youth, people accept you and give you quote unquote ratings after your father, as long as your father come from badness, music, sports or something like that. If your father ever want tomato business and end up inherited, then they will mind you every day say nothing. Right? And I just your father gave. It's okay, mama. They can't accept that, but they can accept say Poor Man's son must get chat in the system. So Black Man did have enough chat because Poor Man was his father and Poor Man they both from Bulby days. As you can imagine, Poor Man well up in that age now. Just like you have some people who tell about God this or hear them say Jesus this, but you see them every day wicked and vile. Poor Man was the Rasta version of that. So him did I tell about Selassie, not tell about Jah. Now Poor Man was known to frequent Bobo Hill for chant regular at Bulby. And over the same Bulby, Bobo Hill side, them take him and lost him. Power Man, aka Ja Power, the man them trick him, use their head pan him, lower him back at Bobo Hill, cause they know it's a film thing that Selassie him say, take him and lost him. Over a month now they can't find him. And as I say at the start of the video, if this was back in the day, seeing a crime would be very busy. Remember say Black Man is the type of man who kill people. Because him see St. James, a lead, St. Catherine and murder stuff. I want you to understand the type of person C4 them help bring down. Black Man is the type of person Who want more man dead because him see St. James or Lee, St. Catherine. Not. Imagine what that man would do if he had the means, if he could, if him have the 87 them like one time, if him have the strength like one time, if him have the gang like one time. Imagine what he would do if him hear say him father set out gone a Bobo Hill and then can't find him. Black man who is already an irrational killer. Irrational. He don't need no reason for nothing. Just want to understand. Because I know who no value and who no rate. DJ and them thing, they call not a celebrity group. I want to claim say man a hero because they make 5, 6, 7 hit songs. You know who me consider hero? C4 and them you them. One time me and my reason when that first start link and I tell you say him look up to the movement, him love all the thing, it's like him see me as some kind of hero. I have to laugh. I obviously say C4 all me to be hero. Me a YouTuber man, me a blogger boy. And you are the real hero. Cause when you give up the things that you do, 99% of Jamaicans could not be paid to do it. 99% of Jamaicans could not be paid any amount of money to go up against that the faction or gang and give up them entire livelihood, left them community, can't see about them friends and family ever again. And go sit down in the witness protection program for years. 99% now do it. And you are the real hero, man. You know, so times like these, when we love, if we could hear one 15-minute interview or one 15-minute talking from C4 back in the day, I tell you know what I'm going right now. But as I say, them days are done. C4 have new life, you know. Now, as to why Japower get that way, as usual, several theories out there. Now, black man and some man from Bobo Hill have some problems. From jail, them have their issues. So you know, say once him father will get missing at Bobo Hill, then it will look like that he related to. And it's very possible. But you have to also remember, say, somebody like Power Man, who in a badness from Wapi kill Philo, it can come from any angle. And remember, say 87s are well-known opportunists. They will see 2 man a war and they run in and kill 1 man at that time because they know say 2 man a war, so that look like the next man kill him. So we get the intel. I get as much intel as we can. Now the reason I drop the video now is because even though they missed a long time, over a month now as I say. And people are say, well, in gone so long he must dead. Keep an eye on the Black Dog. That's all I can tell the authorities. I know say, we don't always say we have him in one special part of the jailhouse. And him on a special watch. But you've heard the length a black man go to get access to phone. Even though black man has been severely weakened, do not think for a second black man can't find a one dopey bat willing to do something to impress him. All you need is one dopey bat. And if you think black man don't have one dopey bat left in the street, then link me for a unicorn. Authority guy, corrections guy, keep an eye on the Black Dog. Make sure say cell get searched every hour upon the hour. Cause if him go start get access to phone, the level of irrationality where him have to how black man operate, he will see this as an opportunity not just to kill man who kill him father, but kill some other man. Just keep an eye on the Black Dog. Even in a court of law, when you're supposed to be trying to convince the judge, figure you a lie and convince the judge that you're not a killer. Remember, everybody go jail. Everybody go court, go tell the judge, say, Your Honor, me not do nobody nothing, no care how bad a man be. In a court, his job is to convince the judge that he is not the mass murderer. His job is to convince the judge to give him leniency. Black man is so obsessed. Black man is so in character that even in court, he is telling the judge, be silent, one done attack. But the fact that his father has now been killed, even though him kill a million man father, you might go tell us a film father special. And there is a risk that dopey bat that has been sleeping inside of him might wake up back. So corrections need to make sure so them dey on top of black man still. And in the streets, make sure so the intel a work. That the dopey but they sit down and watch. Again, this is somebody who goes on the mission, park up one side, watch the shooting take place so him can laugh. So I will be keeping a close eye on the situation because it can get real ugly. This is somebody who kills for sport on a good day when him not in the troubles. Imagine a day when he realize his father dead and it's not natural causes. I'll give you an update if me get any, but it's spooky. Poor man dead, man them hide him body. He gone a Bubba Hill and the man them take him and lost him. Just like black man, make enough people family get take him and lost. So I tell you right now, say he must feel pain. Pain will make enough other people feel, but you know it already. Irish Saxon style, only my pain matters. But a weakened Jankro is still a Jankro. A weakened Jankro is still a Jankro. A weakened Doppybot is still a Doppybot. Black man has been weakened. He was not sent to Irie Heaven. And remember, black man can't ever hungry. Because the deal him signed with your favorite artists ensure that black man can never truly be poor. Because every time certain tune play, certain song where your favorite artist did voice on Jones Avenue Records, every time you stream them, a little bit of the streaming money go right to the black dog. And he shall be amassing and he shall be compiling. It'll go take time, but him only have time on him hands for him there. So just remember that. This is not somebody who need to sell the head coke. This is not somebody who need to chop the line. This is not somebody who need to rob you. This is somebody where every time you turn on your favorite tune, money goes straight to him pocket. It has to be studied. Patreon squad, big up on yourself. PIA, you don't know, more life. Outer squad, stay circling. Bless.